Hello friend, because the second gen of glue machine, it is with external air compression. Now first of all, let's connect the machine with external air compressor. And we send the machine with one tube. You just need to connect one end of this tube to the back of the machine, to this port. Insert well, and then the other end, you make sure the switch in the middle are all open. Make sure the air can come through. And the other end, we should connect it to the air compressor. For the air compressor, you could choose 8 liter or 30 liter. And then open this switch. And after you open the switch, you will see the pressure shows like this. So that is normal. It means it is connected. Okay.
Let's check what we have right now. And we have this cooling machine and this gluing machine. First of all, we need to prepare this machine first. We need to, we have another video to show all the detail how to prepare it. And
yes, add coolant to this one.
Yes, and we have this power cable. And you can see the water start running. Let's come back to this gluing machine. By this is a AB glue holder. We have 4 screws and need to install the 4 screws in these 4 holes. Okay, install well. Then we install this cooling. Also, we have 2 screws. Okay, now we have this for AB glue. This is what you get, and you can lose the screw and take this out. Install the AB glue like this. Then install this prospect.
Block.
Alright.
Yes.
And I will show you how to install this. Okay, this is a new missing tube. We have 2 holes in the AB glue, and we also have the same holes here.
Yes, just match.
That's it. And then turn it. Alright, now install well. And mostly we will suggest you use this glue, yellow glue needle.
Yeah.
Install it. Alright, now take a look. We install the AB glue like this. We have the tiny hole here, so when we install it, we need to make sure the needle goes through the tiny hole on this mold. Alright, lock it. You can see. Install this hose. By the way, we have this light for you guys.
Yes.
Finish.
This one is for you to check if the needle is aligned well.